Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right section and then proceed forward with your social accounts or your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you don't wish to use Gumtree anymore and you wish to delete your account, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on My Details. You will then be taken into your details page, from which just scroll down and you will find the deactivate your account button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to provide a reason. Just choose whichever reason is suitable for you and then click on the send deactivation email option. Once you click on this button, you will receive a confirmation email within your email address. Just open up the email and click on the link within, and this will begin your deactivation process and log you out from your account. If you wish to permanently delete your account, then you should not log in for your account for at least 14 days. Once 14 days has passed, then your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.